All right, I think that's enough. Okay, so I'm sorry for that, but yeah, I need to do that so you can recognize this face. I guess you can analyze this face. I don't know, but yeah, I'm going to say something that probably I don't know might surprise you. So yeah, I mean, if you go to my channel, you probably see like there's a lot of anime, content or anything like that, right? I do streaming for like a JRPG, right? There's a lot of anime, so you basically can say like I'm an anime fans, right? I watch a lot of anime and probably manga as well, right? Well, let me tell you, never even once in my life I sit down and read manga properly. Like sit down and yeah, read on the internet or having a physical copy of manga, something like that. I just never do that. So yeah, it's probably a surprise. So yeah, this is the face of someone who just watch anime basically. The anime content or otaku culture that I get is just anime, right? So I mean, I know Dojin, I know manga, I know Berserk, I know, I, I, I even know the manga called Blame. This fucking sci-fi futuristic manga on. I think I see some people recommending it in YouTube, and I've been seeing the panel for quite a while, but I don't know what the fuck happened in the story. Like I never like sit down reading it. So yeah, yesterday I decided to why not just start read manga? What series that I want to start read, as a starter for what series that I need to put on, like a starter for the manga, what manga reading, something like that. So yeah, one of my friend on Discord suggest me to read Yotsuba. Yes, I think it's a Nichijo comedy, like Nichijo, I mean, is slice of life, I guess. And yeah, it's the same author by the guy who made Azumanga Daioh. Yes, it's the same author as Azumanga Daioh, and you probably heard about that anime. But yeah, so Yotsuba is one of the manga that what's his name again? Yohiko Azuma. Yeah, one of the manga that Kyohiko Azuma, or one of the series that Kyohiko Azuma made, draw, I guess. So yeah, Yotsuba is one of them, and people say like it's quite popular because yeah, everyone who know Azumanga Daioh is probably going to know Yotsuba, and yeah, I mean for me, I don't know Yotsuba. I never heard Yotsuba because yeah, I know Azumanga Daioh, but I never sort of know the manga or the author or something like that, right? I don't do my research basically. I don't do my homework or something like that, as you can say. But yeah, for yeah, yesterday I just start to reading it, and yeah, this is probably like the video about it, like how like my experience about it. So Yotsuba is this again this slice of life, the story about this young girl and his father, her father. So yeah, this young girl and her father moving out to the new hometown from their grandma house, and then yeah, they have this new life, knowing the neighbors and doing Nichijou stuff. But it's like this one focus, which is the Yotsuba herself, which is this main character. So Yotsuba is, if you just put, how can I put the word for it? A literal child, not behave like an anime child, but literally. Imagine if you just take a innocent child and then just put steroid on it, something like that. I don't know, it might sound stupid or I don't know, it's kind of extreme, but yeah, I don't know. It's so again, it's comedy, so you're going to be in the comedy. I mean, the comedy in here is not really on dialogue, but literally what Yotsuba was doing. The fucking action. So in the few first panel, when I start to in the first panel that I start reading this, literally the introduction of the character where she just climbed this telephone pole. Why? Well, turned out she just want to copying the Kakaida, or what do you call it in English? English, right? Like Kakaida, right? Chichaida or something. You know that thing that really loud in the summer or something. What I don't know. But yeah. Anyway, yeah. It just really this unexpected comedy, which is really funny, even though it's that just by looking at it. And yeah, I love it. I love it. Even every single comedic stuff happen in it. And then yeah, the only the other character is just normal. You know, normal character. They don't. I mean, I'm not gonna say like they are not interesting. I mean, of course, because of Yotsuba and what Yotsuba was doing, and then this. You know, you have this wholesome stuff as well because how innocent she is, right? Then you have this sort of what the fuck happened? So yeah, I also recognize some of the meme that happened back then, right? And then yeah, turned out they were from this series, from Yotsuba. And yeah, if I finally like remember, oh wait, I know this panel, I know this meme that being used somewhere. So yeah, it's from Yotsuba. But yeah, anyway, but I'm not gonna like spoil what happened in it. I think if you I think if you know if you already know what I'm talking about, yeah, well, you know. But if you don't know what the series is, then I mean, you know what? If you want to start a manga, I think manga like this is probably the best. I don't know, but I mean, I think it's based on everyone preference, I guess, because you know, I can see the other series that I can start because back then I also said like, I think on stream I said, oh, I know this series called what is it again? Oh yeah, it's called The Land of the Lotus. Yeah, that's the anime called The Land of the Lotus. So the anime is being made by the Studio Orange, which is the studio who always do CG anime. And then I'm gonna be honest, that anime is fucking amazing, especially the music. So I interested in that. I mean, the story for the Line of the Lotus itself is fucking intriguing. It's really go through this sort of humanity and everything like that, right? So I want to know more because yeah, the anime is not really continue the the series. So I was like, you know what? I might read the manga for it because people also said like in the manga after the anime, you know, the chapter after the anime was ended, the thing just got escalated. So I just have this sort of excitement for me to read the manga, but I never started. I just, you know what? I don't know. Maybe I just like get distracted by other things. So yeah, I don't know. I might get started with that, but yeah, I just got reminded again that why not? Why not start reading manga properly? Because yeah, back then I just basically this guy who there's a really cool panel, manga panel. Who's the artist? Who draw that and shit like that? I don't sort of bother to even sit down and reading it. And I think Yotsuba, this sort of wholesome comedy, a soft start, I guess, for me. But yeah, it's so pleasant. I don't know. It's really cute. It's really wholesome. Again, I'm saying that again because yeah, it's. I just read 3 volumes and I don't know, I think I might continue. So you're probably going to see like footage me reading it because yeah, I streaming on Discord while I'm reading. You know, I open stream on Discord. I active. I'm not gonna say every day, but I think if you want to like ask something, I think Discord probably the one that I active the most. But yeah, I mean, yeah, you can say like I active every day because even I go out, I also can open Discord in my phone. So yeah, I think that was nice. So yeah, I was streaming in Discord, and yeah, that also with the person who recommending it, which is Toru. So yeah, thank you Toru for recommending that because that was amazing experience, I guess. So yeah, I mean even like the stream is just me silently reading it. I don't really like because I just want to get the I guess easy footage for me from me with the panel and everything like that. So yeah, I think I'm not gonna make this video that long because now you might be seeing me with another manga review, I guess. But yeah, that's one that is such an experience, I guess. I and yeah, I'm probably gonna do more. And yes, now because I interested to read more, I probably going to start read Blame, or maybe start reading Berserk, I guess, because yeah, guess what? I never read Berserk, but I somehow know what happened and what can happen in there. Because of course, people were saying this and that, and I think it's so fucking old that you can see the spoiler everywhere. So yeah. Anyway, so I think that's it. Thank you for watching. I guess this is just me, my experience, the first time properly read manga. And then yeah, the first manga that I choose to read is just this lightweight, uh, wholesome comedy manga called Yotsuba that you probably hear. Then if you never heard of it, then yeah, please check it out, because now I'm on volume 3. I just finished volume 3. Now I'm ongoing with volume 4, and I think, especially at the end of volume 3, is so wholesome. It's so, like I can tell I stumbled to something special, I guess. And yeah, they were saying it's still ongoing. Yotsuba is still ongoing since 2003. That was fucking amazing, Jesus Christ. So yeah, check that out. And then I think that's it. I see you in the next one. And thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. And yeah, I think that's it. Goodbye. Bye bye.